So here we go.
Tell them, door, no cameras.
This is the final part of this project. I know you guys seen the demo, see me running some wire. Oh, sorry, door. Now I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So here we are. You guys seen a lot of this living room. This is how they did the fireplace, mantle. I think when you guys originally seen it, the floors were sunk in, but they brought the floors up to level to the rest of the house. Added a brand new sliding glass door there. These switches on the side, that was fun. And then you guys do remember me earlier in the video running the wire for those can lights there. I think the switch is over here. Let me go turn them on for you so you guys can see. Those are, I call them fake recess lighting. No, maybe I was wrong. Oh, no, the switch is right there. See, I don't even remember. It's been so long. Here's the switch. Got her on her dimmer. There it is. Ceiling fan. I'm not a fan of that ceiling fan. We're going to shut these off for now. Then we go over here into the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. You guys all seen that. Right back there to the left of the oven was all the electrical wire because the outside panel was out there. This is what the kitchen looks like now. IKEA cabinets, waterfall. We have a waterfall countertop. Then we have this cool little breakfast nook. This is all custom right here. Custom bench. Custom design by Lucia Construction. And then we have, so we put those, like I said, I call them fake cans. So we put those here in the kitchen. We got big run going in the kitchen there. I wish we would have knew, I know you guys are going to comment on it. I wish we would have knew where the vent hood was going to be able to move those left ones out a little bit further. But it's all in the walkway. It's got optimal light for the countertops. As you can see, there's one little shadow back there in the back corner, and that's about it. There may be some open shelving coming in later. I'm not sure. All brand new windows throughout. Brand new dishwasher. So this is going to be a rental, I guess, short term maybe long term. There we go. There's your dishwasher disposal outlets, all GFCI protected. Here's a brand new electric range, brand new that. So we're going to walk in here. So you guys remember, so all those wires that were on this backside wall, there was a fur down up there where all the wires just hung. Well, I took all them wires out. I think I may have video of it, but I brought them all over, and this is the new laundry room inside. The laundry room was outside in the garage, but they built it inside this time. So this is the new laundry room with a nice little sun tunnel in it, but then also it has a recessed light for more lighting. You got your dryer plug, washer and dryer hookup, or washer hookups, washer plug outlet. Then you have this electrical panel. This is the sub panel. This runs everything in the house. There's only a few 20 amp breakers out in the outside panel that we left out there because it was more convenient, and I wouldn't have had to extend the wiring. So that's that. Like I said, all brand new windows throughout. sorry I showed you Mr. Aaron's ass, but you know,
It's a job site.
he likes showing his ass.
It's a job site.
So what we have in here, this is the master bedroom. You have a nice ceiling fan here. 3 switches. We added all those 3 switches in there with the remote, but it is set to wire. If you had a fan with change, you could one light, one fan switch. And you have that switch there, which takes that light, brand new. Sliding glass door, brand new windows throughout, 2 big windows. There's a backyard out here. It's a decent size look. I mean, it's not the hugest backyard, but it's a nice sized backyard, and they haven't done the landscape yet. They're gonna even it out. So then, here's the master closet. And then what you have here, we have a sliding door here. Okay. It's beautiful. Barn slider. Beautiful door. I love that door. It's gorgeous. And we come in here. This is the master bathroom. In the master bath, we have a linen closet there. And then, so we have floating vanity, double sink, 2 GFCI outlets on the side. These are floating mirrors. I don't know if you can see that, but they're floating mirrors. Right? And then these cool little lights. Let's see if we can get them to come on. There they are. Then you got your fan up there. And then we also have a light above the shower. Just a regular old shower. That's one thing they didn't replace, was the shower enclosure. I don't know why the guy didn't want to replace the shower enclosure. Everything else is new. But that's customer preference, I guess. And we come out here, we have one second bedroom. It's a little closet, just a little bedroom. Nothing huge. Another ceiling fan just like the other one. Brand new windows, of course. And then a third bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger than that second bedroom. Same ceiling fan. This is towards the front of the house. Brand new windows. It has a bigger closet. This is a walk-in. I do like walk-in closets much better. Me personally. And then we have the hall bath, another floating cabinet with a floating mirror. We also have a sun tunnel here. That's a sun tunnel. And then we have another one of those lights above, just a long one above this mirror. And like I said, he didn't change the enclosures, changed the fixtures, but not the enclosures of the shower. I think these are brand new toilets, if I'm not mistaken. Brand new bath fan. And that's about that, man. So,